Today we are doing another 26 kilowatt air-cooled unit. It's a big house. The good advantage that they have is that they have natural gas. So the heating system is on natural gas. So we can be able to feed the whole house with the 26 kilowatts. We had a little bit of difficulty bringing the generator to the location, but it's already there. We are preparing the base. As you see, these are so this unit works with natural gas and liquid propane, so we do the adjustment during the installation process. This building, as we mentioned earlier, has natural gas, and our gas technicians are already here. They have it started, so at the end of the day, the generator is going to be functional. Everything is going to be done today. It's a one-day job for us. It's not always the case, but we are always the timing is always good. We can manage it to do the installation in one day because generator is the only thing we do, so we are well equipped. You can tell this is a 400 amp service rated transfer switch. It's perfect for this situation. We will go downstairs together later to see the installation. So yeah, that's the gas meter. They have already started. It's a big pipe going all the way to the end, and then the wires are going to follow the same path. A bigger transfer switch. It's a 400 amp transfer switch. The main switch was 400, so we had no choice to put this one, but the location is really important because we cannot really block these doors. It has to be easy accessible. Same time, there was this door that was opening this way, so the homeowner decided to put it the other way, so it's going to open that way. Otherwise we had to go to the back. And as you can tell, the studs were not right where the transfer switch were going to be mounted, so we had to support it to be safe. So yeah, we check all the scenarios to make sure that the location is the best location with minimum damage to the property. So we are ready to pass the wires and do the connections. Now we are ready to cut the power. That's the main switch. Yeah, my colleague is going to cut the power. Yep. There you go. Now you're going to remove the wires and do the connections. 0, 0, and 0. Sounds good. So it is about 5 o'clock now. The connections are 90% done. The only connection is for the generator. The rest, as you can see, this part is already done. So we're gonna go do the activation now. And when the wires are passed and they're connected here, we will do the test.